if you're looking for ways on how to display collections on your website, maybe you have a lot of collections. I'm going to share with you what two companies, how they're displaying collections. Maybe that can give you some ideas on how to do it on your website. I'm working with a client and we're brainstorming ways on how they can display their collections. And so there's a lot of cool ideas out there. I wanted to share some with you so that you have some ideas that you could use for your website. So first, now we're going to do is we're going to look at Nike's website, and you're going to see that the way they actually display their collections is with the navigation bar. So when you hover over each item here, you see this mega menu pop up here with this is like subcategories. So new and featured, then they have the get set for school, new and featured, trending, shop classes, and explore. And then they have all the different sub items in here. Then you look at all the collections under men. Again, they have the get set for school, they have the new and featured, they have all the different shoes here with sub collections. So shoes is a collection because they have a collection of shoes, a collection of clothing. But then under that category, now they have all the different other types of collections here. This makes the whole process very simple because now you can see, okay, let's say I want to buy basketball shoes. I'm a man and I want to buy basketball shoes. I know that as soon as I come to Nike's website, if I hover over men, and I come to the category shoes. Now I have to do is just come down here and look for basketball. I click on basketball. Now I can start searching for the shoes. So you want to make it simple, but also think about how your customer would think when they come to the website. If you do that kind of journey, like how we just described right now, it's going to make it easier when you're actually trying to map out how to display the collections on your website. Thinking about how your customer would think and actually mapping this out, you can use Figma or a different tool to actually map out these different journeys to brainstorm and see the simplest way on how to display collections on your website. But this is a very simple and clean way that Nike is doing by using these various mega menu options on their website to display the various collections here, making it easy and making it simple for customers like myself to find product options. So one simple way here that I wanted to show. The next way, if you look, is at Best Buy's website. Now, what they're doing is a little bit different. If you look here, they actually aren't offering these collections here. Now, if you click on menu, then they have it here, shop by department, then you can see the different collections. But one thing that they're doing to actually display the different categories is they're using a slider. So if you come to this slider here, now you can actually see the various collections which are being offered on the website. Again, this is another useful way. And the thing I like about this is it's showing before you scroll down. So on the hero section, before you scroll, you can actually already see these categories. It's making it clear to the customer what categories are being offered before they actually have to go searching, if that makes sense. So with Nike's website, they showed it at the top here. The customer doesn't even have to make any other actions. They can immediately start hovering and viewing options. In the same way, Best Buy is doing something similar. Before you even scroll, this is already in view. So you can actually already start taking a look at the different categories that they are offering, the different collections that they're offering. And again, these are collections under collections. So under laptops, you might have MacBooks, you might have Windows computers, you might have PCs. So the collections under collections. So they clearly have a lot of different products on their website. But again, this is just simplifying the way that customers go through the website. And again, that's the whole goal of this is because you have so many collections, you want to look for ways to make the shopping experience as simple and easy as possible. So that way customers can find what they're looking for with the minimum amount of hassle or friction. So these are just two different ways that I noticed on two very popular websites that I wanted to share just to give some ideas on how you can display collections on your Shopify website. I've seen websites where it's a mega menu like this, but then the whole page is covered and then there's no clear categories. So now you have to go through and find which specific categories related to what you're trying to search for. Seen a lot of different things, but trying to keep things as simple as possible is really just going to help you out. And again, planning out using again a tool like Figma, planning out the customer journey, thinking about how a customer would actually go to your website is going to make everything much more simple, much more easy for yourself and for your customers. So that's just what I wanted to share very quickly. Let me know if this video was helpful. If you have any other suggestions. And also, if you're looking to set something like this up for your website, maybe you're looking for ways, or you just want to brainstorm ways and how you can actually simplify the displaying of collections on your website. Maybe you want to go the mega menu route, you want to go the slider route, you have another idea or suggestion that you'd like to implement, please feel free to reach out and I'll be more than happy to assist you with um, offering that on your website, or organizing any or creating any customizations or things of that nature. So please feel free to reach out. We also do have our monthly Shopify maintenance plans as well. So if that's something that you might be interested in, maintenance plans on a monthly basis for your Shopify website, or you just need a couple hours of support per week, please feel free to reach out. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to see how I can help you out as well. But once again, I hope this video on displaying collections was helpful, and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.